Let's brew up a storm of Irish flavor and celebrate St. Patrick's Day in style with an Irish tea party. Infuse it with creativity and flair by choosing a theme that resonates with your style and preferences. Here are 5 imaginative themes to elevate your celebration. Go classic with an all-green theme, immersing your tea party in the iconic color of St. Patrick's Day. Extend the theme beyond decor and encourage guests to dress in green attire. From green velvet cake to a menu bursting with green goodies, this theme guarantees a visually stunning and cohesive celebration. For a touch of elegance, opt for a gold-themed celebration inspired by the legendary pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Create a shimmering atmosphere with gold decor that can be repurposed for future celebrations. This sophisticated theme adds a touch of glamour to your St. Patrick's Day tea party. Cater to health-conscious and environmentally minded guests with a going green theme. Choose single-origin organic teas in compostable bags and offer environmentally conscious borosilicate glass teacups as gifts. Craft a menu featuring fresh, sustainable, and healthy delights, aligning your celebration with wellness and eco-friendly practices. Combine the best of both worlds by incorporating tea and beer into your celebration. Infuse Guinness into your recipes, from roast dishes to desserts, for a unique twist. Consider adding a dash of Bailey's Irish Cream for a delightful boozy touch. This theme adds a playful and spirited element to your St. Patrick's Day tea party. Embrace the rich culinary heritage of Ireland with a traditional Irish theme. From Irish soda bread and corned beef with cabbage to Colcannon potatoes and Irish apple cake, curate a menu that pays homage to classic Irish flavors. A hearty pot of black tea serves as the perfect accompaniment to these robust and authentic dishes.